Welcome back, my name is VassaOlga and it's Saturday time. So today we're talking about trends. I guess every month or every 6 months someone comes up with something different, and today we're testing those hacks. If you're interested, then please keep on watching and let's get started. It's time to tell my 3 compliments of the day. First of all, my full lips, you know it that I adore my full lips and I would say this constantly. Then I love my sense of humor. I don't show it on camera because I don't know what to joke about when I'm talking to myself practically. I'd say being picky. I am picky and I love it because it saved me from a lot of trouble. Now it's your turn. You should probably do the same. Stand beside your mirror and say 3 compliments to you.
As always, I'm priming the lid with Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Primer, then move into blending, and I'll be needing 3 products only: M433 blending brush from Morphe, Roxy palette, and BH flat brush. I plunged into Roxy palette and picked up on my brush Blue Lagoon color, then focused it on the crease. Baby blue color helps a lot to create a wing shape. Blending is good to create gradient from baby blue to rich blue. Time to grab any flat brush. This one is from BH collection and I'm packing Blue Lagoon color all over the lid. More blending and packing. My right eye is done. Moving to my left side. I prepared fetched color to go all over the lid, wiping off any leftovers. Then I do the same routine as I showed you on my left eye. By the way, this brush is fantastic. I literally love it. I'm using the same shade on lower lids. Finally, I made my experiment with NYX White Blur Liner. I'm just creating simple dots. Well, I tried so hard to make them look even, but I guess I failed again. Ultimate Mascara from Essence is Coating Lashes. My final step is to pop on some lashes. God knows where I got them from. And that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy the look.
My question of the day: how do I improve my cooking skills? First of all, you should find your favorite cook. You can find him on Instagram or on YouTube, as well as on TikTok. You start practicing. For example, my favorite cooks are Gordon Ramsay, Anna Olsen, and Natasha.com Kitchen. I don't know. All of them are gonna be listed down below. And practice, and again practice. That's pretty much it. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope that you are as obsessed as I am with this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you really liked it. If you did, then let me know in the comments, subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then let me know, please, what you didn't like about this look. Probably you have some suggestions, and I would love to hear you out. So, till the next time, bye-bye.